Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan GT-R versus the Honda Civic. The GT-R is a high-performance sports car, offering immense horsepower and blistering acceleration, often reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. The Civic, while a capable daily driver, focuses on efficiency and practicality. We'll explore how these fundamental differences shape their driving experience and overall appeal. When it comes to handling, the GT-R provides a raw, engaging experience with its precise steering and advanced all-wheel drive system, designed for maximum grip and cornering prowess. The Civic, on the other hand, prioritizes comfort and ease of use, offering a smoother ride and lighter steering for navigating city streets and highways. Both excel in their intended environments. Inside, the GT-R offers a cockpit designed for performance driving, featuring supportive seats and advanced tech, though space is more limited. The Civic shines in practicality, providing ample passenger room and a generous cargo area, making it an excellent choice for families or those needing versatility. Both offer modern infotainment, but with different emphasis on features. Ultimately, the Nissan GT-R is a specialized machine for enthusiasts seeking extreme performance, with a price tag reflecting its capabilities. The Honda Civic offers exceptional value, reliability, and efficiency for daily driving. Your choice depends on your priorities and budget. For more great deals, including those leak-proof meal prep containers, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.